Winter is coming. Winter is coming. And winter is coming. Not just a season, a test. Winter is here, and for most students, it will be 90 days of wasted potential. Late mornings, scrolling under the blanket, endless, I'll do it tomorrow. But for a few, this winter will become the arc that rewrites their entire life. 90 days to destroy laziness, dominate focus, longer nights, more time to grind. The cold hits harder than coffee. It forces your brain awake. Parties slow down, plans reduce, distractions die. Winter literally removes half the excuses people use to be lazy. Winter is designed for productivity if you're brave enough to use it. So picture this. Winter is a battlefield. You are the warrior. Your enemies, and walk into the new year already ahead of everyone. Because let's be honest, your biggest enemy isn't the exam. It's not your classmates. It's your comfort. That warm blanket, that infinite scroll, that whisper in your mind saying, just chill. If you don't conquer it now, it will conquer you for the rest of the year. Here's why winter is your advantage. Procrastination, phone addiction, gaming, laziness, and you have 90 days to defeat them. Here are your weapons, the 5-step winter arc system. Step 1, disappear to reappear. Cut off the noise, hide your phone, uninstall the apps that drain your life. No pointless gossip. You're not disappearing forever, just long enough to sharpen your edge. Silence creates strength. Step 2, morning activation. No snooze, no negotiation. The second you wake up, cold water, cold bath, cold shock, then a quick walk or stretch. You kill laziness before it wakes up. Step 3, study like a warrior. Never study in bed. Sit at your command station, your desk. Time block like a machine. Attack the hardest subject first. Set fake deadlines to create real pressure. When it's study mode, it's war mode. No mercy. No distractions? Step 4, evening fitness reset. Move your body every evening, 30 to 45 minutes. Gym, running, home workout, doesn't matter. This isn't optional. It boosts your memory, energy, and discipline. A strong mind needs a strong body. Step 5, reward and reflect. After your work is done, earn your reward. One anime episode, a short game, a treat. Not before, after. And every night, write tomorrow's plan. You end the day with clarity. You start the next with purpose. Most students will waste this winter. They'll binge, sleep late, scroll endlessly, and they'll step into the new year exactly the same. But the ones who choose discipline, the ones who fight comfort, they'll rise, they'll transform. They'll enter the new year a whole level above the rest. The choice is simple: comfort or